बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले आप लोग ये वीडियो
इस केस की क्या रही है मैं वो जरूर हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा। एक ये ताखीर के बाद केस स्टार्ट होता है,
want us to plead guilty.
6 साल के
What
बाद
can we do? देखिए सलमान साहब, अब for what we are trying to do. I know you're not the only person who's complained this.
जी,
Of course, everybody can weigh his turn. If it's predetermined, first in, first out. I mean, naturally, we can't hear 55,000 cases simultaneously.
Of course, sir.
But if there's a system, first in, first out, first in, then even in the Sindh High Court, I would
increasing like वो pyramid approach तो है ही नहीं ना, वो same amount of cases
नहीं,
are
तो
letting
वो
in the
अब
Supreme
देखें, अब we are trying to restructure things,
Sir.
minimizing discretion or in fact finishing discretion, and unless there are good reasons, I mean, there are cases which become irrelevant, after a certain period of time. It could be election dispute, it could be a custody order. There are various naturally inbuilt, you have to have them decided, or the law stipulates that it should be done. And I think in this case, you are absolutely correct that the law, if it does not stipulate, it certainly heavily implies that these it's not an everyday case. It should be attended to as quickly as possible.
It was high on the shelves in the registrar office.
So we did this to do this. They had the same complaint. CP is not being heard, so at least we've got them fixed.
But Your Lordship, may submit, have instructed me to proceed with the appeal. The Indian jurisdiction in the relevant section is 436.
No, in that case, 431 has to be independently challenged.
It has to be.
Because either it's not constitutionally correct or requires interpretation.
It has to be challenged.
It has to be challenged.
Abhi tak settled jurisprudence, uniform and consistent.
You have to challenge 431 to say it's unconstitutional and it access to justice affect करता है, तब फिर हम आगे चलते हैं.
The 4 reported judgments that I have today, all of them are through legal representatives.
Right.
All of them. Not a single. So
can you give us a list of those cases?
Those cases.
No, but in those cases, this is a Pakistani jurisdiction.
Pakistan?
No. You are representing someone or not? We believe you don't have to explain, give an explanation. I'm just saying, do you represent anybody? My learned brothers pointed out, then what do you make of 431?
Your Lordship, I will make.
Can we read 431?
Your Lordship, then I would make my submissions.
Who are you making submissions on behalf of?
This is
on
this appeal, Your Lordship.
At the time,
I can be here assisting my lords only in 2 scenarios. Scenario number 1, if there is a punishment resulting in fine, there has to be punishment, not any other consequences, not pension, not attachment, not any monetary.
You're just assisting the court on the legal provision. What happens to such a case where a person is not represented?
Your Lordship, all the reported cases of the Honorable Supreme Court, as many as 4 that I have today, all the cases proceeded, and the way forward was after the legal heirs had stepped in, they were replaced, and an application was filed according to Order 15, Rules 6 and 7 of the Honorable Supreme Court, and if the court, after hearing these submissions, only in case of fine. Now, in this case, for high treason or Article 6, the only punishment prescribed is death sentence or imprisonment for life. Chunki isme kuch aise mamla the, and this is indeed very unfortunate.
Since you had given some reasons that his non-surrendering was on account of ill health,
yes, sir.
So we were more accommodating.
Of course, sir.
But then we expected that the legal heirs, or one or more of them, would come forward. So then there is nothing before us to decide. We are not deciding anything.
I had drafted some very engaging points for my lord.
Really appreciate it.
And I'm even today very anxious if I'm able to overcome the hurdle and the impediment, which legally I cannot assist my lords any further.
So you are not.
There is no fine.
There is no exception, and it's been widely reported in the media. So I doubt it. They won't know about it.
Your Lordship, this honourable court has gone out of the way, but of course, I
was really looking forward to hearing your submissions.
I was equally anxious, but perhaps maybe some other days. Your Lordship, the first judgment is 2020 SCMR 359.
2020 SCMR
359. This is through legal heirs, judgment authored by His Lordship Mr. Justice late Qazi Muhammad Amin Saab.
Okay.
And Your Lordship, इसमें उन्होंने लैंडमार्क जजमेंट जिस पे रिलाई किया जाता है जस्टिस कॉर्लिनियस की है 1971 SCMR 35. दिस वाज अ जजमेंट थ्रू 8 लीगल इयर्स. 1971 की जो जजमेंट
71 SCMR
1971 SCMR 31 सर.
और पहले क्या लिखा है?
जो पहली जजमेंट है 2020 SCMR 359 359 sir. The second judgment जिसमें my lord Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah Sahab was also a part and parcel. 2019 SCMR 1144 Lord